Hey guys, Xfer Sonance here, back in our video. In this video, we're remaking the lead of Mike Williams and Hardwell's new track, I'm Not Sorry. So the final result will sound like this. So let's dive into the lead. In the previous part we did the bass line, so if you want to check that out, make sure to check the previous part. And by the way, all the presets we're using are coming from Xfer Serum 2. So if you want the preset pack, make sure to check the link down below. So now let's dive into the preset, sounding like this. So select the preset, put up an octave, 6 unisons, detune around here, same for SB, go for basic shapes, and go for this kind of square oscillator. Then we're going to shape the filter, we're going to use the band pass for a more dirtier sound. Just cut off around here, let's drive, and then we're going to mix quite a bit to around here. Then we're going to shape Xfer1, no sustain, bit less decay, and some release. Then second mono legato always to make slide quite a bit, so get a more dirtier kind of sound. And go to envelope 3, learn the sustain and decay, and run it to the chorus pitch. So add some more punch to the lead. Slack one way out. And a really short decay time. Then to make the sound a bit more dirtier, we'll add Xfer1 to the fine tune of both oscillators. And set the rate too fast. It's a bit too much, so yeah, that's kind of detunes the sound a bit. Then dive into effects. We're gonna go for distortion, there too. We could use a bit more drive, so put the drive quite a bit to around here. You can hear this really shapes the sound. So now add another filter. Then we're gonna use the filter to make it more punchier, more plucky. So we're gonna use low 24. With a cutoff around here. Some drive. And mix around here. Then we're gonna route Xfer1 to the cutoff. As you can hear, we cut out some of the high sounds of the lead because it was a bit too harsh. So now some hyperdimension. Only for the dimension. Then we're gonna add some OTT. Bit too much high, so lower down a bit. Some chorus. Some EQ. We're gonna cut off quite a bit of the highs, because it's too harsh. So we'll add Xfer1 to the gain. Just like this. And finish it off some reverb and delay. So go for the ping pong and mix it in. Same for reverb. Too much, so lower down. And there you go. There you have your Mike Williams and Hardwell kind of style I'm Not Sorry lead. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.